Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is the April glossy box video. So I've got my glossy box. It was literally just posted to me this morning. That's the joy of glossy box. You get it delivered to your door every month. It is a subscription box which costs £10 a month, but I think if you go onto this link below here you can get a discount off your first box, and you do pay a little bit of delivery as well, but it's really good because you get a lot of full-size products. You get quite a lot for your money. So we're going to open this box together now, and yeah, if this is the kind of thing you like to watch, then please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's get into the video. So I'm just going to open this. I'm just going to cover my address up there. So yeah, it comes in this sort of outer box which says glossy box on it. Inside we have the traditional sort of pink box. Every now and again you do get sort of a stylized kind of box. I think I've shown them before on my videos. If I just tilt you backwards, you can, if you see in the top corner there, you can see some of the ones that we've had before. This one was the sort of angel and devil box. This one was the Christmas box. So occasionally you do get sort of a stylized box, but these are normally the standard coloured boxes. So we've got the normal pink box this month. This one's called Blossom. Obviously we're well into spring now, so that's probably why it's called Blossom. It always comes lovely sort of ribboned, decorated, and some nice tissue paper underneath. So we're just going to undo this. This little card here basically tells you everything that we're going to get this month. So sneaky peek on what we're getting. Oh, very nice. So yeah, I'll read these out once I show you the products, and then normally it gives you a little sneaky peek on the back. So if you want to see what the sneaky peek is for next month, if you don't, look away right now. But this is the sneaky peek for next month, which is sneaky peek yeah, for May. So yeah, that looks lovely. So I'm looking forward to that. But getting onto this box, this is how it comes in the tissue paper, the little sticker, and it always comes with a nice little sort of crinkle paper here, which is fully recyclable as well, people. So yeah, we're trying to look after the planet. So yeah, here we have. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to delve in and explain each of the items. So first off, we have a Nails Ink pink. Not really my kind of colour, but it might be quite nice for summertime. I do kind of wear pinks in the summer. So this one is a Nails Ink Blossom Kisses nail polish. This is an RRP £11, so that looks really nice. I mean, it'd be nice to just test it on, because I like polishes that are quite opaque. It looks like a nice opaque colour, so I'll have to give this one a go. This will be lovely for the summertime. It could be lovely for spring as well, so that's really nice. RRP £11, so yeah, you've already got your money back basically. So next item we have, oh my god, I love Rituals. This is Rituals. Rituals of Sakura. Now what have I just been using? I love Rituals. I think they smell absolutely beautiful. This is a rice scrub, which is really good. Oh, they're so fragrant. If you like fragrance products, Rituals, and they're not really that expensive. They're not the cheapest, but they're not massively expensive. They're really affordable. That smells absolutely gorgeous. So this is a deluxe mini, so this is worth £4.60. Obviously the full price would be 150ml. This is 70ml for £9.90 if you want the full size one. But yeah, that one's absolutely gorgeous. It smells amazing. Please take my word for it. Ritual stuff smells so good. Yeah, really loving that. I love Rituals products. Right, next up we have a Rose Oil and Peach Treated Hair Mask, I think it is. It's a deep conditioner in a little packet like that. This is by Hask. Not heard of that brand before. Hask, leave me a comment below if you know of the brand called Hask. This is RRP of £2.49. It's obviously some sort of deep conditioner. You massage it into your clean wet locks and leave it for 10 minutes. So it's going to give you sort of luscious, soft locks. I think you can buy it from Superdrug, according to the little card here. But yeah, that sounds really good. It's colour protection as well, which is good for me because obviously, you know, I've recently dyed my hair. So yeah, that's that one. Should have been £2.49. that looks really good as well. So ooh, looking forward to using that. I think it's pamper time, guys. So next up, we have the Avant. Is that how you say Avant? Rose Papaya Vitamin B5 face exfoliant. So yeah, this is 1.69, 50 mils, 1.69 fluid ounces. It says the RRP is supposed to be £92. Really? Is it meant to be £92? Avant Skincare, has anybody heard of that? Leave me a comment below if you have. I haven't. This is a face exfoliant. It's got B5 in it. It's got some lovely ingredients in it. It's supposed to improve the appearance of wrinkles, which obviously I'm completely pleased about. Hydrate your complexion. I definitely need that because I have dry skin, I have eczema, I have a few problematic areas, as you've seen in my previous videos. Yeah, looks really good actually. Oh, so Avant Skincare has got a website, so maybe check it out and see. See, it says it's £92, so that'd be nice to try. Let's have a little smell test. It might be sealed. Yeah, it is sealed, and I don't want to open it because obviously they have like a 12-month sort of shelf life on them. But yeah, looking forward to using that. I might have a look into that a little bit more later. Right. Last but not least, I forgot to mention you do get 5 products. Sometimes you do get extra. But this one is a Sport Fix Coconut Moisturising Lip Balm with an SPF 15. So it's here, it is cruelty free as well, all natural ingredients, paraben free, etc, etc. It's got a little price on the bottom which says £4.99. So yeah, the RRP is £4.99. And they've got shea butter in them, natural oils and vitamins, SPF 15, I've already mentioned that. This is really good to keep your lips moisturised. So yeah, I love a little lip balm. Oh, and what's really good about it is that you don't have to sort of dip your finger in. Yeah, it's a little bit like your EOS balms because obviously you don't have to stick your finger in. You basically use it like that. I'm not going to put it on now because I've got lippy on, but you can smell the coconut in that. That smells like a Bounty. If you like Bounty, that's what it smells like. It smells like a Bounty bar. So yeah, that looks really nice. The packaging kind of looks a bit plain and boring. I think it would have been nice maybe in a different colour at the bottom, like pink or something, because that kind of doesn't look like much like that, does it? But yeah, look, I do love this packaging though. This packaging is really, really nice. Again, should have been £4.99. I'm not sure where you can purchase this from, but I'm sure you can Google it and find out. So yeah, so that's that one as well. So yeah, you get far more than your £10 worth from GLOSSYBOX. So I get this every month. I don't always do a video on it because by the time I get my box, quite a few of the main sort of GLOSSYBOX influencers that are lucky enough to work with GLOSSYBOX, come work with me, please. They obviously get their parcel earlier, so they get to put their video out much quicker than myself. So I think they get them on like the first of the month. So a lot of you might have already seen the video. So, but yeah, I thought I'd do it this month because we're struggling with content because obviously we're still quarantined. I hope everyone is keeping safe. I am been indoors for God knows how long. I feels like I said on my last video, Groundhog Day. Actually, I enjoyed putting makeup on today. How crazy is that? So anyway, I digress. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that'd be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below. That's it for today's video, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.